Hello guys, and welcome to the review of a zigzag indicator that I've made for my personal use and I would like to share with you today. So it's found right here in the Dynamic Zig Zag. Okay, and first thing that we're going to expect is basically just a simple draw zigzag function. And well, I'm just going to make it blue, and here you go. So right here we see our usual zigzag. Okay, and well, I bet everybody knows how it's formed. Now let me just add a few more features to the chart, and I want to see the zag number. Okay, if I want to see the zag number, so basically what that gives us is the pivot number. Okay, so we can see that this is pivot 1. If the next pivot is a higher high, and is going to give us a pivot 2. Okay, if the next higher high is not actually a higher high but is a lower high, then it's going to start from -1. Okay, and if the next one after that is lower than the previous one, is going to go to -2, etc. Well, you probably get the logic from here already. Okay, so all your ones will always be yellow. Okay, because pretty much you don't know where the trend is going at that point. But after the 1, okay, you will always go, so the 2, the 3, and so on, and in the opposite direction it will always be red. Okay, so you can see, for example, right here is a -1, next one is lower, -2, next one is lower, -3, next one is lower is a -4, and so on. Okay, it works in exact same manner for the pivot lows. Okay, exactly same logic. Okay, now this zigzag is designed in two ways. You can set to the calculation mode to be manual, so the deviation value in points is set right here in this case, and you're able to actually control when the zag is formed. Okay, after how many points should the zag get formed. Or you're also free to select the ADR. Okay, if you select the ADR, you have these two values here. You can set the multiplier of the ATR and the period of the ATR, and that will control the deviation value. Okay, so basically your ATR will always be the deviation value, and in that case the zigzag actually becomes dynamic, which is a pretty cool tool. Okay, now a few other enhancements that this zigzag has is, well, just for fun, you can have the zag outline. So let me just turn the number off, and I'm going to turn the zigzag off too. And you can have the zag outline like that, which is a pretty cool tool. So basically it just follows the zag sort of channel. Well, I just find it kind of, interesting sometimes visually. And also a zag channel, which just follows the zag but in a sort of stepped manner. Okay, now you can download this indicator when you register on the website, so just feel free to log in and get the indicator downloaded for a free 3-day trial, and feel free to get in touch if you got any questions. All right, take care.